In the evening of the first day of the week, the doors were closed in the room where the disciples were for fear of the Jews. They have seen what the Jews have done to their leader, their guru. They crucified him, they killed him, and now they are after them. So the detail is repeated in the Acts of the Apostles. And as Pentecost approached, the followers of Christ were hidden from the world behind the doors of their meeting room. Closed doors is a powerful image of our own experience of our life. We long for the freedom to reach out, but we are fearful. We want to go and make peace with someone whom we have seriously offended, but we are afraid that our pride will be hurt. We want to forgive someone who has deeply hurt us, but we are afraid that the person will take us for granted and exploit us further. Our generous gesture. We want to go to a neighbor whose family is starving and share with them with what we have, but we are afraid that we will not have enough left for our own family's future needs. We want to go and make peace between two communities who are fighting, but we are afraid that our involvement will get us into deeper troubles. We want to speak against injustice done to people of a particular caste, but we are afraid we will lose favor with the people of rank, power, and money. We are afraid of rejection. We are afraid of failure. We are afraid of being misunderstood. We fear that life will slam the doors in our faces, and so we take refuge behind our fears. And in so doing, we take refuge behind closed doors of our minds. Like the first disciples, we hide behind our fears, and so doing, we create our own darkness. With doors closed, we think we are safe. But with the passage of time, we realize that we are going nowhere.